How to access AI models for free without any account. Let's get into it. First of all, open any web browser and go to this address, that is lmarena.ai. Let the site load, and once it loads up, you need to go into the direct chat. Please make sure you read the following. Go into direct chat and choose any model. Here, as you can see, there is ChatGPT 4o, we have Grok, we have Gemini, Claude AI, Llama, that's a model of Meta, and a lot more models. We do have what we need. So let's select any random model and look at this. Here we go. We can directly prompt this model and get answer to whatever question we have. So let's try asking any question to see whether this actually works or not. So let's try asking it a question. How many days were in February 2022? So yes, the answer is correct. It had 28 days. It was not leap year. And as you can clearly see, I have not logged in into any account. I have not given any personal information, and I'm able to choose any chat model. It's directly giving me the answer. And let's try using some other model. Here we have ChatGPT 4o. Now let's see what can we ask. Let's try how many different types of fruits are there. Yep, we have ChatGPT 4o access, that too for free, without any ChatGPT subscription, no ChatGPT account, nothing. There we go. We got the correct answer. So that's pretty much it on how to access these AI models for free. Thanks for watching and goodbye.